Hello and welcome to this GS 600 Plus for main exam. This is a unique course developed by ALS with the help of a group of experts who have created a name for themselves in this field for quite some time. 26 sessions and 14 tests with explanation, full tests, which will cover all the 4 papers as well as the essay paper. The idea is to divide the whole syllabus into 13 different parts, and each part will be taken care by an expert, and our focus is to identify the kind of questions which can be asked in the main exam, not only for 2020 exam, even for the subsequent attempts. Even if you are not 100% sure about getting through the exam in this preliminary, nothing to worry. This course is useful for those who are planning to take the exam in the subsequent years also. The focus of this course is to ensure that you have the right kind of answer writing ability as well as you have the right kind of input for this exam. This exam is not just about writing something. The candidate's depth and understanding is very important. UPSC answer writing is a unique challenge for any candidate who appear for this exam, because here the candidate's depth of understanding and the candidate's unique traits are tested. And not only this, the candidates are asked to take a stand on various socio-economic issues, conflicting issues, their programs, policies. Your stand is very important, and our focus in this course will be to create that stand such a way that you can get the best possible marks in this exam. Your opinion, your stand matters a lot in this main exam. Through this course, we are not claiming that all questions will come, but if you look at the previous year questions, you can realize that at least 40% of the questions are related to your basics, your understanding which you created by studying NCERT books and the standard books. But another 40% of the questions are clearly linked to the current developments, and your opinion and your analysis, your perspective, your depth is very, very crucial in those 40% of the questions, and those 40% of the questions will definitely from our classes. But the last 20%, that is the unexpected, and those questions nobody can predict, and even we will not be able to predict those questions for you. But if you go through this course, the 600 plus, the GS 600 plus for the main exam, using this course, you will be able to answer those unexpected questions because of your experience of answering and planning your answers through the 600 plus questions. Speed in answer writing, multidimensional thinking, alternative perspective, and planning an answer within the given time. All these things are very important in this exam. If you practice 14 tests, definitely you will improve your skill in answer writing, and your language will improve, your speed will improve, as well as your ability to concise things in the right manner will improve in a dramatic fashion. So this test, 14 tests, will ensure that you will be able to complete the paper on time, and only those who can complete the paper on time will be able to get a good rank in this exam, and that is what we are aiming through this course.
GS 600 Plus for main exam is an uniquely conceptualized, meticulously designed, very powerfully developed course for those aspirants who want to take their preparation to next level. This course is basically the perfect blend of General Studies crash course for main and GS main test series. In this course, the main focus will be on exhaustive coverage of GS syllabus for main exam at an accelerated pace through 600 plus question answer discussion. Participants of this program will be gifted an opportunity to practice for General Studies main through exclusive main test series under simulated conditions. Answer discussions in this program will be done by a newly constituted young team consisting of domain experts of national repute. This dynamic and dream team consists of Mr. Jojo Matthew, who will take up for discussion questions on international issues and bilateral relations, science and technology, and some areas of Indian polity and constitution. I, that is Manish Kumar Gautam, will be responsible for discussion of questions on Indian polity and constitution, internal security issues, and some areas of Indian economy. This team also consists of Himanshu Sharma, the Director of Guidance IAS, who will take up for discussion questions related with geography and environmental issues. In this team, Alok Shankar Jha will take up for discussion issues related with history, art and culture. This dynamic team also consists of Ajay Srivastava, who will be responsible for discussion on governance and Indian economy. In this team, the only lady member is Ms. Sweta Singh, and she will be taking up for discussion social issues and social justice. For the first time, we have also inducted Mr. Atul Garg for discussion of paper 4 of general studies in the main exam, that is ethics, aptitude, attitude. The most striking feature of this program is that the domain experts will not only come in class for discussion and explanation of answers for questions, but they will also participate themselves in question making based on an in-depth analysis of previous 7 years question and current and contemporary developments, so that when you go for main exam, you can expect some of these questions in the UPSC question papers as well. Our team in this fast track course will equip you with all those tools and techniques with which you all can deal powerfully with unexpected questions in UPSC question papers. Tools and the techniques which you will learn and acquire in this course will help you to generate points in the exam hall on a particular question, organize the points which you have generated, and present the points in the form of good answer as per a specific demand of that particular question. The key facet of this program is timely and quality evaluation with detailed feedback of answer sheets, and with the option that you can reach out to domain expert to discuss any specific issue related with your answer writing. This will be a 10 weeks program with 4 sessions every week, and each session of 2 hours 45 minutes to 3 hours duration. So this is an invitation from me and my team to all those serious civil service aspirants who are willing to take up the challenge of taking their preparation to next level, so that when they go for main exam of UPSC, they are able to give their best shot.